Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of Blue Book MKE. And in this video, what I want to talk about is what business are you in? Now, you might be saying, well, Steve, I know what business I'm in. I'm an auto repair person. I'm a life insurance person. I'm an advertising person. Well, that's well and good, but let me tell you the problem with that. And let me give you a little story about what happened to me, and then I'm going to give you some information that I just gave to one of our clients that was very, very frustrated about getting response for what they're doing for their business. When my wife and I started our publication back in 1990, we found out very quick that even though we thought we were in the advertising business, we were actually in the lead generation, phone call, walk into my store business. That's the business that we were in. And at that time, that was before the internet was out. So it wasn't website traffic, which is what we're into right now also. So I found out very quick. And I remember the conversation that I had with, it was a business owner. He had put those steel bars on people's windows and the steel bars on the gate, on the front door, so people can't just break in easily. He serviced a neighborhood that I guess was high crime, and he had we had a conversation, and I was trying to get him to run ads in our magazine, and he was like, uh, you know, I'm not running the ad unless my phone rings. And it was the way that he said it would kind of really uh, got me to really clearly think about the business that I was in. Yeah, I was printing a magazine, and we were distributing a magazine and placing ads in the magazine and placing content in the magazine. But what the business owners wanted was they wanted their phones to ring. They wanted people to walk into their store with the book showing where they learned about their business. So I learned very fast that we were in that business. We want to be in the publication business, but we're actually in the make my phone ring business. And when we started to kind of shape the way that we would market to people, was we got you response. Plain and simple. We didn't have ads, or we didn't call people and say, place your ad in our magazine. We would call people and say, do you want to get more calls to your store? Because that's what they're actually buying. They're buying calls. Even though the medium is the publication, they're actually, what they want in the end is what they're actually buying. And that goes into an email that I just got from one of my employees that talked about one of our advertisers. She's in the life insurance business, and she was frustrated because she's ran ads and she just can't seem to be getting anywhere. And she was just very frustrated. So this is the ad that she has right now. She's just running a very small ad. She probably doesn't have a large budget, but it says life insurance in big caps, and it says as low as, and then $10 was big, monthly, and then it had her phone number. So when you look at this ad, you're thinking, okay, well, she's telling people what she sells, and if people are interested in life insurance, they're going to end up, giving her a call. I would say that like 99.9% of the people who see this ad are not going to know what to do, and or not going to be motivated to respond, because there's really no incentive unless that individual who's watching the ad, who's looking at the ad, cares about what happens with their family. So now when you think about that, and also if you think about it this way, life insurance, if I buy life insurance, you buy life insurance, you we don't cash out on the life insurance. So it's one of those real crazy type things to sell because number one, you have to find people who care about leaving their family something behind. And sometimes you'll be shocked. I have friends who I had talked about life insurance. Like we just got into conversations and we were talking about life insurance. And I was like, well, yeah, I have life insurance. So if something happens to me, my family would be taken care of. Have extra, not just from what's left from business, but, extra to rebound. And he said, I don't want to leave nothing to my wife. I don't want her to be living, high and mighty while off of the money just because I died. And I was like, well, I let that conversation stop real quick. So when you think about it, life insurance you're not selling life insurance. I know that the product is life insurance, but what you're actually selling, let's think about it. What you're actually selling is security for family if I die. That's basically what you're selling. You're selling security for family if I died. So that's what this really translates to. And if someone was to see the ad and they saw an ad that said security for your family if you die, call this number. I'm pretty sure a lot of people who cared about their family would at least call the number to find out. And then you could put life insurance underneath, but it would motivate. So let me tell you what I told her to do. Let me pull up my response email that I sent to my employee to get over to her. So I said, here are some sample ads. How about this? What if we made an ad that said, if you died today, how would your family pay the bills? Now, that'll get some people's attention, don't you agree? And then I had sent another one and it said, if you died today, how would your family bury you? How would they bury you? Another one that I sent was, if you died today and don't want to leave your family with nothing, call me. So you can see how now you can see that there's a motivational piece. Number one, who are you targeting? You're targeting the breadwinner of the house. Whoa, just lost my screen here. Hold on a second. There we go. I thought we lost the whole page there. So you can see here that we're targeting a specific type of individual, which is someone who cares about not leaving their family with nothing when they died. Obviously, remember what I had said earlier about a friend of mine who said that they don't want to leave their family with anything because they don't want them to live better than what they live with him right now. I mean, that's his own point of view. But you can see here with these headlines, you could actually have a very good lead in to individuals. And all you would have to do is put, if you died today, how would your family pay the bills this can help, or you could put life insurance, call now, and the number. And that's exactly how what I told her is that's what she needs to do for her ads. Now, a lot of people, for some reason, they're very afraid of trying something new. I believe that that's why they're usually stuck with their business. They're doing it the way that other people did it in the past, and we all know that we're bombarded with all types of ads all the time. So you have to kind of wake people up and get their attention. But this is a very good example of understanding what you're selling, because that's really the key. If you understand what you're actually selling, the end result, you can formulate and put together your ads that will generate the interest in your product or service. All right, if you need help with marketing your business or getting clear about your business, I'm going to be launching a 5-day level up your business challenge, where I'm going to show you how to get clear about what you're selling. I'm going to show you how to generate leads. I'm going to show you a guaranteed way to generate more leads, more calls, more traffic to your business without spending too much money. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it for my businesses on a daily basis. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click the link below this video, take you to an opt-in page, and you'll be able to opt in. And then when we launch that 5-day challenge, you'll be able to sign up, and we'll help you level up your business. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of Blue Book MKE.